Huagao Electric Circuit Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise which specializes in developing, manufacturing, and marketing of PCB. With an accurate market positioning and excellent service, Huagao has gradually developed into a company with 2 factories and 2 branches in Shenzhen and Shanghai. Now we have 8,000 square meters plant area and over 400 employees. The capability is about 25,000 square meters each month. Huagao is mainly focused on customized double-sided, multi-layers PCB and also have the capability of making special PCBs like heavy copper, impedance control, peelable mask, carbon ink board, and aluminum boards. We introduce advanced equipment like Timax drill machine with 6 spindles, automatic plating line, CNC V-cut machine, AOI test machine, roast tester, the factory got ISO 9001 management certificates, and the products gained the UL certificate, UL number E483905. The products are widely used in electronics like industrial control, power supply, LED, communication device, automotive, security products, and so on. Commit customer first, service first faith. Huagao will be your best PCB partner. Let's stand together with mutual benefits to create a better future.